Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. So daily time frame is nag-form siya ng doji candle after ng selling pressure. So meaning undecided agad yung market kung saan yung next direction. It could be pullback or it could be continuation. So titingnan natin yung possible scenario. Tingnan natin sa 4 hours time frame. So after nga nung drop ni BTC, currently nagsa-sideways siya. So yung mga possible direction natin if saan yung magiging breakout nitong BTC and dun yung possible direction natin. It could be here and possible magkaroon ng pullback since merong resistance. But breaking this trend line is magandang sign yan para sa ating lahat. But if magkaroon ng breakout si BTC sa support natin with volume, hindi naman magandang sign para sa atin yon. So yung possible na untugan dito, but let's expect pa rin kung saan yung breakout dahil hindi pa natin ma-determine without price action.